Hello, this is Mickey with Stoneapp. In this video, we will cover how to add materials to a quote. So simply work your way left to right along the menu at the top. The last item will be your material. We'll select material to assign materials to these respective parts. Stoneapp allows you to price by square foot. You can even include a waste factor, or you could price by slab. In this case, you would want to make sure you define your size of slab, since you're going to be pricing and the customer's going to be paying for the entire slab. Let's say we want to select a material here. We'll just select this black forest. And in this case, it's 3 cm, but you could easily change that to 2 cm and honed, or whatever attributes you need for that material. You can already have a defined cost, margin, and price on your fabrication as well. Or you could even make your fabrication price 0 and bake everything into your margin here. And let's say you're going to charge $45 per square foot. So there's a variety of ways to price, and Stoneapp can handle just about any way fabricators choose to price their materials. And if this is special order material, you could choose to indicate that as the salesperson you source the material. And let's say you have a hold confirmation, and so you could specify whatever that hold confirmation number is. You could even indicate, as you have here, the sizes or the price as well that you're expecting to pay. And these notes carry all the way through to the job, so that the person who's actually going to be doing the purchasing will see these, as well as it defaults onto the purchase order. Same as the cost and the size. These are all items that just automatically populate onto that purchase order. So we'll hit save, and then we're going to assign our areas and parts to this material. And we can do that by selecting these checkboxes. So if that island was going to get a different material, you could simply unselect that. So we're going to assign this material. So since we're assigning this material and pricing it by slab, Stoneapp is calculating, hey, there's not enough material here. And Stoneapp is recommending, hey, based on the math, you're going to need at least 2 slabs. So we're going to take a look at that. We're going to say we need 2 slabs. And this is saying you now have 116 square feet of material and 75 square feet of those finished parts that were drawn. And there's 41 square feet left. If you want, we have this waste at cost button that will then charge this 41 unused material at the cost. So you still get full value for the cost of the material, but only charge the margin at the price for the finished parts. So we're going to save this. We're going to jump over to the slab layout and just confirm that we have indeed the right amount of material. So we have our finished parts here. We can assign seams. Also here, you can actually assign your, so I'm just going to move some stuff around here just so you can see. On the right side, you will see that materials are actually populating as you click on them. And you can rotate. So if I was to rotate this part, you can see that the material is actually shifting and going a different direction. Obviously, that's not going to work. So once you have your layout correct, by the way, this is an excellent tool to be able to show your customers why you need that extra slab or that extra seam. So you can see just how flexible Stoneapp is when it comes to pricing your materials. So you may decide in the future to make changes to how you price materials, and you can see Stoneapp is there to help accommodate that. In our next video, we will add to this quote by simply selecting line items onto an area rather than creating a drawing.